Hi, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. Crafting a scientific research paper can be challenging, yet ChatGPT can act as a useful resource during the journey. This guide will demonstrate how to make the most of ChatGPT while upholding academic integrity and producing exceptional research. In this video, we will share advice on utilizing ChatGPT for writing scientific research papers. Here are some tips you can take to use ChatGPT to write a scientific research paper. 1. Define your research question or hypothesis. Begin by identifying the research question or hypothesis that you want to address in your paper. 2. Conduct literature review. Use ChatGPT to search for relevant scientific literature related to your research question or hypothesis. ChatGPT can provide you with a summary of existing research on the topic, as well as any gaps in the literature. 3. Gather and analyze data. Collect data through experiments, surveys, or other means. Then, use ChatGPT to help analyze and interpret your data, as well as generate visualizations to support your findings. 4. Organize your paper. Use ChatGPT to help organize your paper by creating an outline, structuring your arguments, and ensuring that your paper is well organized and flows logically. 5. Draft your paper. Use ChatGPT to generate draft sections of your paper, such as the introduction, methods, results, and discussion sections. However, ensure that you review and edit the content generated by ChatGPT to ensure it aligns with your research and is written in your own voice. 6. Edit and proofread your paper. Use ChatGPT to help edit and proofread your paper for grammar, punctuation, and spelling errors. However, ensure that you carefully review and make any necessary revisions to the content generated by ChatGPT to ensure accuracy and clarity. Remember that while ChatGPT can be a helpful tool in the scientific research paper writing process, it is not a substitute for your own expertise, critical thinking, and analysis. Therefore, it is important to use ChatGPT in conjunction with your own knowledge and skills to ensure a high-quality scientific research paper. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe my channel for more informative videos.